Hello everyone, very good evening to all. So I was looking to this some of the hidden features of money control as I keep looking out to this money control website and you must have observed that I keep posting about the screenshots in my Telegram channel and all those things. So what a new feature I found in this one, a kind of a hidden feature. Let's go to money control directly and let's analyze this feature. Example, I am at money control this website. Perfect. So this is showing me news and all those things, right? Let's say for example, money control wants to show you notification. All right. Now let's start with this. What best benefit can be taken out of this? Today in this small video, we are going to discuss about price to book valuations, how this can be helped out, and in the dashboard how we can share our screeners, right? And in the end we would be analyzing different things as well. Let's say for example, I have already logged into my ID. Once you click this one, you will be finding that my profile, my portfolio, watch list, and this is the new one, my screeners. Let's say for example, I went to screeners. So this is showing me popular screens which have been already inbuilt, technical screens, fundamentals, and save whatever you have. See, a stock is judged by its valuations. For example, many people says that this stock is being undervalued, this stock is being overvalued. Depends sector to sector. For example, some valuations are even justified at 15 price to book valuations for FMCG sectors as well, whereas it won't be justified for auto sector. All right. Some valuations are justified for banking stocks, whereas it won't be justified for metal sectors. Different sectors have their own different valuations, PE ratios, sector PE ratios, everything. Now, so today we are going to discuss about the valuations, that is called price to book value ratio. Price, current market price, divided by its book value ratio. Now you must be thinking that that is easy. What we can do, we can go to charting or we can go to screener.in as well, right? And we can made out these screeners, no doubt. But the difference I found in money control and other websites, number one, money control gives you live update that is even faster than NSE India. Yes, it sounds so shocking. You go to NSE India, you go to option chain, and on the second layout, you open money control any stock or its option chain. You will find out this website is giving you faster results than NSE India, and it is free to use. You can have a pro subscription as well. All right, without wasting time, now how to use this one? So book value divided by share, this is reverse, EPS, TTM, right? Economic value by revenue, market cap, and etc, etc. Finally, we have this one, that is stock price divided by its book value. In the second one, we have stock price divided by versus sector. This was we were discussing in the starting that every value has its own different sectors, right? So stock price divided by book value. This is I have applied one. Now here in the right hand corner, they have already factored every sector into their category. That is the best part. Let's say for example, this is auto filled up. Let's clear it out. And what sectors we would like to check up? Like there is agriculture, aquaculture, food processing, beverage, autos different parts as well. Let's go to some good sectors right now, as I have already posted 2-3 days back and even we were discussing in yesterday's YouTube session that we can look out to the metal sector. Metal sector have been fallen down and can be a good valuations as well. Let's check out metal sector and then we would be checking out the charts as well. Let's see banks, compressors, carbons, cement, air conditioner, cables, finance, beverages, footwear, construction, life insurance. Next can be discussed life insurance as well. Because of this corona issues, people have been little bit health conscious, life conscious. They've started for a sudden demand have been surged for insurance. Next, this we can discuss, or I would be keeping a poll. All right, so here we are. We have aluminium, we have coal. Let's put up iron, metals. All right, these four can be done, or even if you want to put up these three as well, you can put up these three. Done. Now, this gives you a filtered results. This gives you 85 stocks. These are these stocks and etc. etc. Perfect one. Now, the question arises, how do I filter these 85 stocks? These are so much to look out. No issues. What you can do, you can add another parameter. What best can be added? It can be a dividend one. It can be any other one. Let's say, for example, I'm adding a market cap. So here it is showing what market cap you want to keep up. Let's say we can keep somewhat around 500 crores. Let's start with 500 crores. And once you type the 500 crores, just tap at the screen and it will auto filter the stocks for you. Now, finally, we have 23 stocks which are into the price to book value sectors and more than 500 crores of market cap. Those who don't know what is a market cap is equals to number of outstanding shares into the current market price. Or you can say, if you want to buy this company, you need to pay this price. For example, for JSW Steel, you need to pay 33,800 crore. This is rupees in crore, and the company would be yours. Perfect. So higher the market cap, weighted it is. Now, these are the 23 stocks. Now, if I want to place this into a ascending or a descending order, if I want to place in ascending order, tap this arrow. This is stock price divided by book value. This is in ascending order. If you want to place in descending order, that I want all those stocks which are having a price to book value in a higher order. Just tap down the bottom arrow. These are this one. Starting with Orissa Minerals, Mishra Dhatu, one of the best stocks, Coal India, right? Tata Metallics, Tin Plate, JSW Steel, NMDC, J Corp, and etc. etc. Right now, we would be going with the price to book value in a ascending order. That says Jindal and Power Steel Limited, market cap 6,000 crores. This gives you a 0.20. Can you check out how much undervalued it is? 0.20 only. Let's check out next one. GMDC sale. Government company, PSUs. This is 0.23 valuations. Perfect. Price is just 24. Moreover, it is giving you a dividend payout ratio as well. This is giving you a dividend payout ratio as well. Then we have a Jindal Steel, NALCO, Maharashtra, and n number of companies are there. Perfect. Now, let's say for example, if I want to analyze anyone's further into this one. Let's say for example, I want to analyze Hindalco. What best can be done? Open link in new tab, right? And that would be opened up. Okay, this seems to be blocked. Let's say for example, add to watch list. Again blocked. All right. Right click, and this seems to be Sale India. Discussing about Sale India. The best part, prices are updated point to point, second to second. Now, market cap. Let's check out the chart first of Sale India. Let's check out a technical chart. So here it is a technical chart of SAIL India, which shows that stock has been making a small lower low, because of which we find out the valuations seems to be attractive one. If we go back and we found out Jindal Steel, Jindal Saw, Hindalco Industries. Let's check out for Hindalco Industries. Hindalco Industries is there. Now, price to book value, the best part, dividend paying company. I generally prefer in the down sector, I generally prefer those companies which are having a price to book value somewhat around 1.2. That is a good just one, right? So going back, if you want to check the chart, technical chart, is it bouncing or is it not bouncing? This seems to be more in a range, the current one, but as we are analyzing for a long term, let's analyze for a long term as well. All right, this seems that the stock has never fallen within the range of this 39 rupees, 40 rupees. The second strong seems to be 62. Here the best part is, let's have a look at this one. The stock from 223 to 30 and again a bounce, again 240 to 70 rupees and again a bounce. So same way the cycle continues, making a channel like this, this way. So which means that people are finding these valuations justified. Have a look at this channel. People are finding these valuations justified. So some people, what they do as a part of sector rotations, for example, if you go back, Maruti was running hard, Bajaj Finance was running hard, right? They keep changing out the sector. For example, right now FMCG is running hard, metal is down. So that is a time to keep metals and auto sectors. Further, you can go here, you can check the financials as well. You can check out, let's say for example, we go to corporate actions. Here there is an option board meetings, AGM, dividends. If we check out the dividend history for Hindalco, we would be finding out that the company is giving a dividend. In every year, and that would be effective in the August or most probably September. This is called a dividend policy. How to check the dividend policy? This is the dividend policy. The company has a good record and etc. Right? Going back to our screeners. So right now, what you can do, even you can download it to Excel as well. Jindal Steel, GMDC, SAIL, Hindalco, Tata Steel, NALCO. NALCO seems to be good at valuations as well. Let's check out NALCO as well. NALCO today 4% up. Now, first let's check out chart, technical chart. Perfect. Now, made a engulfing few days as back. Alright, superb. Have a look again, the same path have been falling out. The stock is this price for 24, right? Whenever this price touches out, people start accumulating. Have a look. From 49 to 24, went back to 135, came back to 24, went back to 130, came back to 24, went back to 97, and now again 24. So the same can be applied. The best part, risk reward is favorable. Risk reward is favorable. Government stock. Let's check out the dividend policies. What can we make out from rupees 24? Clicking on dividends, checking out dividend policy. All right, best part, wow, interim dividend as well. See, why we are checking out dividend? Those who don't know why we are checking out dividend, dividend means reserve holding company. That means, see, if company earns, made out expenses, paid out tax, interest and everything, and it is giving you dividend, it is taking care of its shareholders as well. Now let's check out. So they gave their interim dividend in the month of February or March, which has been given out this one, and they gave their final dividend in the month of same as we were applying. This is effective date, effective one. The announcement date is in the month of May, then again May, right? And then again May, that is the end of May. So end of May is coming out. If anyone wants to look out for dividend, they can look out for dividend as well, right? If anyone wants to look out another financials, go to this one, start checking out its financials. This is here you can click out for the balance sheet, check out its balance sheet. Here it is, everything. That was a sectorial analysis. We covered out aluminum sector, we covered out metal sector, right? You can save your screener here as well, right? If you want to put up any other factor, you can put up any other factor as well. There are n number of valuations. For example, profitability, as we were checking out dividend payout, you can directly put up dividend payout as well, right? And the best part, the same can be applied to mobile as well, iPad as well, right? That was just using a free screeners from a money control, right? That's all for today. And another one, we would be checking out pharma sectors as well, or you can do a homework as well for pharma sectors, and next would we be discussing, right? That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. More video coming up. Lots of love. Take care. Happy trading.